Hi, this is Miss Alana, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Monday, March the 14th. It's Pi Day, and let's get started. This is number 7. All right, so read this with me. The domain, that means the math section, it's measurement and data. So this is a different one from the other ones we've been doing. Read the standard with me. MGSE2.MD.4. It says measure to determine how much longer one object is than another, expressing the length difference in terms of a standard length unit. Relate addition and subtraction to length. What does that mean? Oh my goodness. It's about measuring, it's about comparing the length. So that's easy. So if you can do this, you get to say the I can statement. I can find the difference in length of two objects. All right, so let's get started on that. I'm going to scoot it over here. This says measure each line using centimeters and determine how much longer one is than the other. Okay? So, you need a tool for this. What tool do you need? You need a ruler. All right, let me grab my ruler. All right, so I have my paper ruler. Now, this is the problem. I can't measure the board with this ruler because the size of the paper on the board does not match the size of the paper that's in front of you that we need to check and go over, okay? So I'm just going to show you quickly how to do it. But I won't actually do it because, oh my goodness, look, this doesn't even fit. So take your ruler, okay? Now, if you have this ruler, remember we have inches and centimeters. These are the centimeters right here. So you need to find the centimeters right here, okay? So once you find the centimeter side, you're going to measure line A and then write it down here, okay? Then you're going to measure line B using the centimeter side and put it here. Got that so far? So again, measure that, write it here, measure that, write it here. And then we have to do the last part. It says line A is blank centimeters longer than line B. So we see how much that it's longer, right? Do you see that? So we have to figure out how much longer it is. I'll give you the clue. It's an operation. You either have to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. How much longer means we have to, when we compare it, we have to not add. We're not putting them together. We have to see how much more this is than that. So we need to subtract, okay? So once you get that answer, subtract them together and write that answer down here. When you're done with that, go ahead and explain and write the sentences to let me know how you worked it out, okay? So when you're done with that, woohoo, give yourself a double thumbs up for that because you're going to have to do that one on your own, but I'll help you out if you need help, and then we're going to move on to the next problem, okay?